lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Anu, and today's video is going to be a book review and a book promo of this wonderful new upcoming talented author called Vanya Jain. Yes, this weekend her book is going to get released in Amazon Kindle, and the book is called Peril at the Palace, Zoe and Diana Come to India. This is the second book that's going to be released by her online, and the first book of the same series is called Trial on the Trail, Zoe and Diana Go to Alaska. It's an adventure series, and the story is based on two sisters, Zoe and Diana, and their adventures. So her second book, Peril at the Palace, Zoe and Diana Come to India, is going to be launched tomorrow in Amazon Kindle. And if you do not have the device with you, you can download Amazon Kindle in Google Play Store and have a read at it. It's going to be on a promotional basis from tomorrow till Sunday. So anybody who logs in can get a free read to it. From tomorrow, which is 2nd October, Friday, 12 noon onwards, till Sunday, 4th October, you can avail this facility. It's on a promotional basis and you can have a free read at this book. Something about the author now. This author, Vanya Jain, is a beautiful young 12-year-old girl from our very own city of Kolkata. So the second book by this young talented author, Vanya, Peril at the Palace, Zoe and Diana Come to India, is basically the adventures of these two sisters, the main protagonists of the story, coming down to India to attend a grand wedding. The adventures and all the thrill that they encounter in this journey of theirs is portrayed in this book. So this book by Vanya Jain, Peril at the Palace, is consisting of about 50 to 60 pages of thrill and of adventure. There are 10 chapters or episodes to this book where the author takes you on a ride to adventure series by these two young sisters. Now something about the author, Vanya Jain. Vanya Jain is a 12-year-old Indian author from our very own city of Kolkata. Yes, she's a young, talented, budding author coming from Kolkata and studying in Modern High School for Girls. And her keen observation and portrayal of characters that we find in both the books will keep the audience and readers enthralled. This book is especially for preteens and teens, but definitely it's a read for anybody who's interested into reading. So parents also must go and take a look at this book. It's a journey of adventure. It's a journey of thrill. It's got a very good Indian flavor to it because the backdrop is of a grand wedding. The language that is used by Vanya is very smooth and very lucid. Her way of communicating with the readers is excellent and one can understand whatever she's writing very easily. It's a very easy reading. It's a very comfortable reading. The author keeps the readers engaged in a series of roller coaster ride. It's a wonderful and relaxing break for all the readers. Definitely a very easy reading. Simple language and very easy style of presentation. The characters come alive in different aspects and different moments, and we can feel the connection between the reader and the characters very strong in the books that Vanya writes. I was very eager to review and do the promo for Vanya, for this young author, Vanya Jain, because I know her personally. She studies with my daughter in Modern High School for Girls, and I have known her since she was a child. I have always observed that she has been very quiet and she would be observing things around and she would take keen notice of everything that was happening. Her language, I was very impressed with the language power that she presented. And of course, without a doubt, her skillful observation comes into the writing of the characters, the presentation of the characters in this book. With this, I would also like to present to you a young reader of Vanya. She is an audience to her, and she has read her first book, which is Trial on the Trail, Zoe and Diana Go to Alaska, and she would tell us what she feels about the author and the writing that she does. So here we are wishing Vanya All the best for her second series, and we hope it's a roaring success like the first series was.
Vanya, I wish you best of luck, even my little sister. And I personally like this book a lot because it's on sisters and I have a little sister. So I think I can understand the bond between them. And Vanya, I hope this book, it shoots out to everybody's heart like your last one did, and well, just best of luck.
All the best, one. Definitely gets a thumbs up from my account, and I would urge all my viewers, all my subscribers, all my friends to go ahead and log into Amazon Kindle. If you do not have it, download it from the Google Play Store and get your hands, grab your copy, free copy, which is available from tomorrow 2nd October till 4th October, which is Sunday, and have a read at this book of Vanya Jain. You will not be disappointed. You will be impressed with this little author's style of writing, and you will enjoy the wonderful adventure that she sets up for us. Now, Vanya, all the best to you, and keep on writing. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, do give in your likes. Do write your comments. If you need to ask anything about Vanya and about the book that she has written, everything is there in the description box. But if you feel you need to ask something, please do write to me. I would love to answer your questions. I would love to interact with you. And do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting things happening around the city, happening around our lives, book reviews, fashion, makeup, everything that you can think of. So keep in tuned, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.